xShare demonstrated dashboard. Linking primary and secondary use of health data through the European Electronic Health Record Format, EHRxF. This video is meant to explain what is expected from the xShare public health use case applicants. Across Europe, healthcare systems generate enormous volumes of valuable health data every day. Yet too often, this data remains fragmented, locked in silos, difficult to understand, compare and challenging to reuse beyond its original purpose. The result is a missed opportunity. Data that could improve patient care and potentially save lives, strengthen preparedness, and support innovation is not always used to its full potential. This is where xShare comes in. The project aims to demonstrate how health data can be shared and reused securely and efficiently across Europe, in line with the European Health Data Space vision. A key objective is to show how the primary use of health data, meaning direct clinical care, can be connected with secondary use, such as research, policymaking, surveillance, and innovation. To enable this connection, xShare relies on the European Electronic Health Record Exchange Format, or EHRxF. The EHRxF provides a common European framework to structure and exchange health data in a consistent way. xShare has also developed an adapted specification of the patient summary, called the IPS+R, which contains a few supplementary data which allow for the support of an extended number of use cases, both for public health and clinical research. By using this shared format, health information becomes more interoperable, comparable, and reusable across organizations, systems, and countries. In this demonstrator, xShare prioritizes three high-impact clinical domains: infectious diseases, cancer, and antimicrobial resistance, or AMR. These areas represent urgent public health challenges, where improved access to structured and comparable data can directly translate into better decisions and better outcomes. To demonstrate the value of this approach, the project developed a dashboard that transforms complex clinical and population-level data into actionable insights. The dashboard is designed to show how data, aligned with the EHRxF, can be used not only for clinical reporting, but also to support broader health system intelligence. The development of the dashboard followed a structured and reproducible process. First, relevant indicators and data needs were identified in collaboration with stakeholders, ensuring that the dashboard reflects real operational and policy priorities. Second, data were originally provided in different formats. Data was mapped and aligned with the EHRxF structure, ensuring interoperability and consistency across dashboards. Third, the harmonized datasets were integrated into a reporting layer, enabling systematic aggregation and analysis. Finally, the dashboard interface was designed to provide clear visualization of key indicators, supporting interpretation by clinicians, public health experts, and decision-makers. The result is a demonstrated dashboard that allows users to explore data through interactive views, trends, and comparisons. It provides a practical example of how structured and interoperable health data can support both immediate healthcare needs and longer-term strategic planning. The dashboard also simulates a near real-time analysis, allowing to enforce new decision-making processes. For healthcare organizations and authorities, the expected added value is significant. The workflow and dashboard supports reduction of administrative burden and redundant data entry, improved monitoring of clinical and public health indicators, enhanced data quality and comparability, faster access to meaningful insights, and better alignment between healthcare delivery and public health decision-making. Most importantly, it demonstrates how interoperable health data can become a strategic asset rather than an administrative burden. For society, the benefits are equally strong. Better use of health data means improved disease surveillance and outbreak preparedness, leading to prompt decisions and choices, stronger cancer monitoring and care pathways, more effective tracking of antimicrobial resistance, and ultimately, more resilient healthcare systems. By supporting evidence-based policies and research, this approach contributes to healthier populations and more sustainable health systems. And the work does not stop here. Once the dashboard has been established, xShare will take the next step by developing an additional AI-supported module. This module will build on the same interoperable data foundation and will aim to enhance the dashboard with intelligent capabilities such as automated pattern detection, predictive analytics, and decision support features for both clinical and public health use cases. This will further strengthen the link between primary and secondary use of health data, demonstrating how AI can deliver value when built on trustworthy and standardized information. This demonstrator is not only a technical solution, it is a proof of concept for what is possible when Europe moves towards shared standards and interoperable health data ecosystems. Through the xShare Open Call, the project invites innovators, healthcare stakeholders, and data-driven organizations to contribute to this vision. Together, we can accelerate the adoption of the EHRxF, strengthen cross-border health data reuse, and unlock the full value of European health data for organizations, for innovation, and for society. We welcome you to formally apply to this call. The project selection committee will be selecting 3 to 5 applicants. Each of the points listed in the template will be assessed, but criteria related to the use cases, the dataset volume, time range, and close mapping with the EHRxF will be prioritized. xShare, enabling data sharing, supporting better care, and driving better public health outcomes.